Words have the power to uplift, comfort, and connect us to those we care about. In relationships, they serve as a crucial bridge, expressing love, appreciation, and understanding. The concept of love languages, popularized by Dr. Chapman, reveals that people express and receive love in different ways. One of these languages, words of affirmation, highlights just how impactful our words can be in the context of love and relationships. Understanding words of affirmation. For those whose primary love language is words of affirmation, verbal expressions of affection and appreciation are the most potent form of emotional connection. This might include compliments, kind remarks, expressions of gratitude, or even the simple, "I love you." When these words are spoken sincerely, they resonate deeply, creating a sense of security and love in the relationship. For someone who values words of affirmation, the absence of these verbal affirmations can be felt keenly. Silence or negative comments may lead to feelings of insecurity, unloved, or undervalued. It's not just about hearing the right words, but feeling the emotion and intention behind them. How words shape your relationship. The words we choose and how we express them can either build or break the bond between partners. Positive, affirming language can strengthen trust, deepen intimacy, and reinforce commitment. In contrast, harsh or careless words can create distance, breed resentment, and erode trust. When you understand your partner's love language, and particularly if it's words of affirmation, you become more attuned to their emotional needs. You recognize that a thoughtful compliment, a heartfelt note, or even a simple, "I'm proud of you" can mean the world to them. It's about making an effort to verbalize the positive thoughts and feelings you have toward your partner, rather than assuming they already know. Tips for expressing words of affirmation. Be specific. Rather than generic statements, focus on specific things you love or appreciate about your partner. For example, "I love how you'd always find a way to make me smile, even on tough days" is more impactful than a simple, "I love you." Be genuine. Your words should be heartfelt. Authenticity is key in making your affirmations meaningful. If your partner senses insincerity, it could diminish the impact of your words. Express gratitude regularly. Simple phrases like "thank you for always being there for me" or "I really appreciate everything you do" can go a long way in making your partner feel valued. Compliment often. Acknowledge the little things that often go unnoticed. Compliment their appearance, their efforts, or their personality traits that you admire. Write it down. Sometimes a handwritten note or a text message can be just as powerful as spoken words. It also gives your partner something tangible to revisit whenever they need a reminder of your love. Understanding your own love language. It's equally important to understand your own love language and communicate this to your partner. If words of affirmation are crucial for you, express that you value verbal expressions of love and appreciation. This can help avoid misunderstandings and ensure both partners feel loved in the way that resonates most with them. The power of words in a relationship cannot be underestimated, especially for those who speak the love language of words of affirmation. By choosing your words carefully and expressing love, gratitude, and admiration regularly, you can nurture a deeper emotional connection and create a strong, lasting bond. Understanding and honoring each other's love language is a crucial step toward a fulfilling and harmonious relationship.